Hey, it's me, Noah, and you're probably wondering, yep, if you saw the title, it is now time for the air horn blast number 2, but it's not the small one. Remember that long horn that I showed you in one of the other videos? That's right. It is time to blow this pretty soon. Okay, here we go. 2, 1. Wow. That sounds just like a game wheel diaphone horn. Wow. That was cool. I don't think the neighbors are gonna like that. That's quite loud. Well, there you go. Wow, that thing is pretty darn loud. I bet everybody can hear it in the neighborhood. I gotta find an air supply to connect that to. Gotta find some kind of air supply to connect this to. And then, when that's hooked up, I'll put a timer on it, just like those fire station diaphone horn things, but I don't know. There's still more to come on this air horn, and it needs to go. I can hear the church bells now, coming from Sacred Heart Church in Vineland, New Jersey. So yeah, there you go. Uh-oh. I think I broke the diaphragm. Yes, I did. I broke the diaphragm. Wow. But it was worth it. Oh wait, I didn't break it. Alright, never mind. But there you go. That's what you get with a game wheel diaphone horn. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.